is introducing the 2020 F-Series Super Duty Tremor Off-Road package. It's not an entirely new model, but the Tremor package is a rather comprehensive bit of kit Ford has put together. The Tremor was a bit of a sport truck with a standard cab, short bed and 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 that made 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Ford dressed it up in fancy graphics and a big Tremor sticker toward the rear. A version of that Tremor sticker remains, but this truck is very different than the last one to carry that name. That doesn't particularly bother us, as the Tremor name sounds particularly badass for a pickup. All-terrain 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires wrap unique 18-inch matte black wheels. These, plus the lift, result in 10.8 inches of ground clearance and water fording of 33 inches, the latter bit was accomplished by lifting the airdam by 5 inches. The front axle is unique to the Tremor, and Ford is claiming this truck has the best approach and departure angles of any Super Duty ever. Putting the power down when off-roading should be easier, too. It uses a Dana front limited slip differential and a locking rear differential. The Tremor also has a rock crawl mode, optimized for use in 4x4 low. Protecting the body are the front and rear skid plates you'll find on FX4 models. Additionally, the running boards have been pulled upwards, serving as damage control blockers for the body.